What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Sony FDR AX53. Welcome back, and before we get into the unboxing, let's take a look at some of the specific features that this camcorder offers. One of the first features that it offers is a 16.6 megapixel sensor. You get a 30 times zoom in 4K and a 40 times zoom in HD. You also get a 26.8 millimeter wide angle lens, as well as the ability to capture full HD slow motion at 120 frames per second. You also get a manual ring if you choose to use the camera in manual mode. You also get a bunch more goodies that we'll talk more about in the full review. In terms of the unboxing, we had a picture of the Sony FDR AX53 on the front. You also can see that it is 4K, and it is their Handycam edition. Opening up the box for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of literature from Sony, along with the power cord and data transfer cable. We also get an HDMI to micro USB cable. We also get the other half of our power cable, as well as the battery. And of course we get the star of the show itself. Removing the body from the cocoon packaging, I have to say that it has some very nice weight to it. The camcorder features 16.6 megapixels and can record in 4K XAVCS. And one of the most important features in this camcorder is the BOS stabilization system, which stands for Balanced Optical Steady Shot, which we will talk more about in the full review. We also get a 26.8 millimeter Zeiss lens, along with 20 times optical zoom in 4K and 30 times clear image zoom in 4K. You also get a 3-inch LCD touch panel, an electronic viewfinder, Wi-Fi and NFC, a manual ring, night shot, and 4K time-lapse capture. Now, my first impressions of the Sony FDR AX53 is that it appears to be extremely well built. I'm really excited to put it to use and see what kind of footage I can get from it. I will be uploading test footage here, and also we'll be doing a full review of this camcorder and letting you know if it's worth purchasing in 2020. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.